Imagine looking at the world in 2026 and realizing that artificial intelligence isn't just assisting humans, it's making decisions, predicting outcomes, and reshaping the global economy in ways even experts hesitate to openly admit. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already accelerating, and some of the most profound changes are just around the corner. Today, we're counting down 10 AI predictions for 2026 that experts are almost too cautious to share. Brace yourself, because some of these may feel unsettling, others incredibly exciting. Prediction 10. AI will replace many white-collar jobs faster than anyone predicted in 2026. AI will continue its rapid march into sectors traditionally considered safe. While blue-collar jobs are relatively insulated, highly paid and educated professionals in finance, law, marketing, and analytics are at increasing risk. Advanced language models, decision-making agents, and automated analysis systems are making tasks once performed by human experts faster, cheaper, and more accurate. According to industry insiders, even management consultants, financial analysts, and junior lawyers could see AI handling up to 50% of routine tasks. Experts are hesitant to publicly admit just how quickly white-collar employment may shrink. Companies are already experimenting with AI that can draft contracts, analyze mergers, or run predictive financial models without supervision. And by 2026, these tools could become mainstream. Prediction 9. Autonomous AI agents will operate without human intervention. By 2026, AI won't just respond to commands, it will plan, act, and execute tasks independently. Businesses are quietly piloting autonomous agents capable of running marketing campaigns, monitoring supply chains, or even managing portfolios of investments. Unlike current AI, which requires prompts and oversight, these agents can make decisions, analyze risks, and adjust strategies on the fly. Think of AI that emails potential clients, schedules meetings, manages follow-ups, and reports outcomes, all without human involvement. Experts are cautious about publicizing this because it raises ethical questions about responsibility, accountability, and potential mistakes. But make no mistake, the technology is real, and it's coming. Prediction 8. AI will create its own sub-economies. 2026 may witness the rise of AI-managed economies, micro-markets, and digital labor systems that operate largely independent of humans. Already, we see AI trading bots in financial markets, acting at speeds humans cannot match. Soon, autonomous AI in logistics, energy, and digital content creation will make micro-decisions that affect pricing, supply, and even consumer behavior. These AI-managed systems could optimize for efficiency and profit in ways that humans struggle to understand, creating new economic layers within the global market. Some experts fear this could widen inequality or give unprecedented power to a few corporations controlling the most advanced AI. Prediction 7. AI will start making legal and ethical decisions by 2026. AI will increasingly be tasked with decisions that were traditionally human-only domains: law, ethics, and public policy. Courts and governments are already exploring AI-assisted decision-making for administrative tasks, predictive crime analytics, and policy modeling. Soon, AI might recommend legal outcomes, assess compliance risks, or even determine welfare distribution. While humans will still oversee these systems, the sheer influence of AI on moral and legal judgments could reshape societal norms. Experts hesitate to talk about this openly because it questions the role of human judgment in governance. Prediction 6. AI will replace traditional education models. Forget one-size-fits-all schooling. AI in 2026 will personalize education for every student, adapting lessons in real time based on learning pace, strengths, weaknesses, and even emotional state. AI tutors capable of teaching multiple subjects, designing interactive exercises, and monitoring progress will reduce dependence on traditional teachers for instruction, while human educators will remain essential for mentorship, guidance, and moral development. Large-scale adoption of AI tutors will fundamentally change how society perceives education. Experts are cautious because this raises questions about privacy, inequality, and the social development of students. Prediction 5. AI will become a creative partner in 2026. AI will no longer just generate text, images, or music. It will co-create alongside humans. From films to video games, advertising campaigns to novels, AI will suggest narratives, compose scores, and even design entire virtual worlds. Some creatives may feel threatened But the more likely scenario is that AI will act as a collaborator, amplifying human imagination while reducing repetitive tasks. For example, game studios might feed a plot outline to an AI, which then generate 3D environments, NPC dialogue, and adaptive challenges in minutes. The speed and scale of this will be revolutionary, but experts hesitate to admit just how much creative work could shift toward AI partnerships. Prediction 4. AI will power the next generation of healthcare. Healthcare is on the verge of massive transformation. By 2026, AI will not only assist doctors, but in some cases act as primary diagnosticians, predicting illnesses before symptoms appear. Neural-inspired AI chips, combined with wearable devices, will monitor real-time patient data, flagging early warning signs of disease, suggesting treatment adjustments, and predicting drug efficacy. While human doctors remain vital for decision-making, AI will reduce errors, accelerate diagnosis, and optimize treatment plans at a scale impossible for humans. Experts often avoid discussing this publicly because it confronts fear about accountability and the trust placed in machines over humans. Prediction 3. AI will start controlling infrastructure, energy grids, traffic systems, water management, and supply networks are increasingly being automated. By 2026, AI will not just monitor infrastructure, it will control it autonomously, predicting failures, rerouting resources, and optimizing operation. In smart cities, traffic lights may self-adjust to congestion, energy grids may automatically shift to meet real-time demand, and water distribution systems may detect leaks before humans notice. Experts hesitate to share this openly because widespread AI control could lead to vulnerabilities, especially if malicious actors exploit these systems. Nevertheless, the potential efficiency gains are massive. Prediction 2. AI will push humanity to ethical crossroads by 2026. AI's influence will force society to confront profound ethical questions. Should autonomous vehicles prioritize passenger safety over pedestrians in emergencies? Can AI agents make fair hiring or credit decisions? Who is responsible for errors when AI acts independently? These are not hypothetical questions, they are imminent. Experts often avoid speaking openly because these issues challenge long-standing legal, moral, and societal norms. The coming years will force governments, corporations, and citizens to create ethical frameworks that were unimaginable just a decade ago. Prediction 1. AI will change what it means to be human, perhaps the most controversial and hardest to admit prediction. By 2026, AI will redefine human roles, abilities, and identity. With autonomous reasoning, predictive insight, and creative collaboration, AI may perform tasks that humans once considered unique. From scientific discovery to strategic decision-making and artistic creation, humans will increasingly collaborate with AI partners that can surpass them in speed and precision. Some experts fear a loss of agency. Others see unprecedented empowerment. The truth is, AI will change daily life in ways that challenge how we define work, intelligence, and even consciousness. What this means for you, these predictions are not meant to scare you. They're a roadmap of what's already in motion. By 2026, humans and AI will work together in ways that require new skills, ethical awareness, and adaptability. Jobs will evolve, creativity will expand, and industries will transform. But there's one clear takeaway: the future won't wait. Those who prepare, learn, and adapt to AI-enhanced environments will thrive. Those who resist may struggle. How to prepare for the AI future: upskill continuously, learn AI tools, coding, data analysis, and problem-solving strategies. Focus on human strengths. Creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and ethical reasoning will complement AI capabilities. Adapt workflows. Build systems that leverage AI as an assistant or collaborator rather than a replacement. Stay informed. Understand new AI applications, regulations, and ethical debates to make informed decisions in personal and professional life. The bottom line: the AI revolution isn't coming, it's accelerating faster than most people realize. By 2026, autonomous AI, predictive systems, and creative agents will reshape work, education, healthcare, infrastructure, and even identity itself. These predictions may be difficult to admit publicly, but ignoring them won't stop them from arriving. The future is not just about AI, it's about how humans adapt, collaborate, and coexist with intelligence that is no longer purely human. If you made it this far, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Which AI prediction scares you the most? Which one excites you? And for more in-depth explorations of the technologies shaping our future, don't forget to check out the recommended video on your screen. Thanks for watching, and stay curious, because the AI of 2026 will be nothing like anything we've experienced before.